Hello everyone, this is Samiksha Hawa. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this very easy bronze golden eye makeup look for you all. So if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. To start off, I'm taking the Becca First Light Priming Filter. It's a very hydrating primer, and for this look I really wanted to focus on my base to have that natural finish and the glow from within vibes. And then I'm taking the NYX setting spray and I'm just spraying it all over my face to help me achieve even more dewy finish look. Then I'm taking Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation and I'm applying it all over my face. So this was my first time trying out this foundation and I was really impressed how this foundation was looking on my skin. So the coverage of this one is medium to full coverage, but it's very lightweight on the skin, and also the finish of this foundation is very natural looking, which I really liked. For concealer, first I'm taking LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and then to further brighten up my under eye area, I'm taking NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Neutral Buff, and I'm gonna blend everything together. For maximum coverage, always use small dabbing motion while blending your concealer. Then I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder to set my concealer. For my eyes, first I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette in Velvet Rose and I'm picking up the brown shade from the palette and I'm applying it all over my crease. So I'm starting with a very little product and the focus here is on blending because I just want to create like a soft wash of this color which will complement the shimmer shadow. For that golden shimmer, I'm taking the Kiko Milano highlighter in the shade 03 and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. So I like to use this product as my eyeshadow, not as my highlighter. So I picked this one just because of the shade. It's like the perfect golden bronzy shade which I really like. Even the pigmentation of this highlighter is really good. Then I'm taking a clean blending brush to make sure everything is nicely blended and there are no harsh lines. Then with K Beauty Kajal in the shade Spade, I'm tightlining my upper and bottom waterline. Then for my lower lash line, I'm taking the same crease shade. Also with that shade, I'm just gonna softly smudge my kajal. To complete my eyes, I'm taking the Chambord Volume Eyes Mascara and the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara and I'm applying it on my upper and bottom lashes. Also, all the product details are mentioned in the description box below. Coming back to the face, first I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze powder and I'm just bronzing up my face. Then I'm taking Colourbar blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet and I'm applying it on my cheeks. To set my makeup, I'm taking the NYX setting spray again and I'm just spraying it all over my face. For that festive glow, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold and I'm applying it on the highest part of my cheekbones, little bit on the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow and also a little bit on the forehead. To complete the look, I'm taking the Smashbox Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gulabe. This mini lipstick is from the Smashbox X Shobita Lip Duo Kit. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any suggestion what video would you like to see next, then leave a comment down below. Also, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys, take care.